I'm Nishan Niza. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Reach. Um, Let me introduce myself. I'm the chief visionary and head of product design and user experience in my company. And I find myself as a tech maniac, a geek who actually loves everything about tech. I learned to use a mobile phone at the age of 5 before learning to drive my bicycle. And when I grew up, uh, I found out that I'm really good at reverse engineering technologies and to understand how the application of technology in a consumer basis happens, in a business basis happens, and I have a strong entrepreneurial flair and I love to have new challenges each day. So I chose to become an entrepreneur. And let me talk about my team. Mr. Shamin is my technical co founder. He's a person whom you can call as uh, the person who is in love with code, who loves to make uh, games or softwares for fun, and he has made several Android games, and I was actually very impressed of his work, and I hired him. I asked him to join my team as my technical co-founder. So we actually are a team who gave birth to the company Freech. So let me talk about my company. My company Freech is a platform where it actually unites like-minded people. Our vision for Freech is we want our Freech to be the cradle for future revolutions, huge activists, and huge kind of let's say, you know, we would like to be the reason why there has been many revolution in the world. So what Freak actually does is it actually unites like-minded people, and we actually gave a platform where people have you ever wondered when you have seen in news that when you're watching the news that there are some people who's invited to talk into a session regarding serious government policies or issues, and how their opinions mattered and how valuable their opinions were. But have you ever wondered that if you were in their place, you could have made something much more better, something much more interesting, and something much more relevant opinion? So, Freech is a place where you can be that person, not technically on the television, but you can be that person. You can be the person whose opinions matter. You can be the person whom everyone listens to. You can be the person who's like, let's say, has a really great influence over a lot of people. So Freech is equipped with interest-based sharing policy, which in short it is, we actually deliver contents like, let me say, a techie or a geek would see only posts regarding the tech. That's it. It's really simple, but it's really efficient and accurate. So the value proposition of Freech is, we actually let me tell about how we plan to generate revenue. How we actually plan to generate revenue is through big data and running ads and marketing campaigns. So let me talk about ads and marketing campaign. To the customers who actually pays for to run ads and marketing campaigns, what we actually deliver as a value proposition is for, we ensure that a geeky won't see Victoria's Secret's ads. Well, who doesn't like Victoria's Secret's ads? Well, you got what I said. A tech geek would only see ads regarding what he's really interested in. So it doesn't become an annoying ad, it actually becomes a really interesting ad. So which actually, when we implement it with great accuracy by default, it becomes something which he's really interested in, and there are chances that you can make a huge sales out of it. So that is the value proposition we deliver to the customer who pays to run the ads. So then big data is that obviously we have if we have a huge user base, we have the data, we categorize data on the basis of people, location, and interest. These three factors consist of the entire, these three factors actually relies on a huge relevant piece of data which can be sold for making profit. And value proposition, when we talk about value proposition for the users who log in as a user of a Freech, we actually allow them to be the person whose opinion matters, who actually makes changes in the society. We call Freech as society's network. Everyone claims to be, every app claims to be really social and personal, but we actually claims to be really public, nothing personal, and totally social. Freech is society's network. So what Freech delivers is an entire common man's personal mass media channel to unite. And also due to the interest based sharing policy, you can unite people, carry out huge activities, revolution, protest, make change in your surroundings. And to the customer who pays for ads, the most accurate display of ads. And we ensure that the ads being displayed will be relevant to the users and you can there are really high chances of that the ads being displayed will be clicked or will be asked to execute a sale. We ensure that, like in Facebook, as a if you are a, let's say, foodie person, you won't be seeing a toilet cleaners ads. That's Freech. Thank you, Founder Lab, for giving me great opportunity to be a part of this.